First, me,
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I want to ask you a question.
What question? Nah, man, what am time?
What do you have to say about this Nigeria constitution now?
You mean Nigeria condition? That is current situation of this country.
One
day can go up ibe. Yes, you can obodo. And what the next ordinary food, we know all the constantly. Any man or woman, any man, or girlfriend 100,000 she offer. My advice to that again, that money because that money is too small. 100,000, can you 100,000 get good in a man? I think it's expensive in the market. You have to go. Run. As a man, give your woman more than 500,000 for a pot of soup. When you get 100,000, my sister, no collect. It's too small. All the too small. Okay, so a pot of soup or a pot of stew. You may go like one. You may go like onions in the market now. As you can over there. Why I say for a question in 100,000 because all the too small for a pot of soup.
Okay.
You are
So you are advising our guests to leave the borders alone, or
that is not my advice. My advice be say if you want give your wife money for cooking. 100,000 is too small for a pot of soup. 100,000 is too small because everything is constantly in the market.
it's wrong now.
Oh, you give 100,000. It is too small.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Leave him. How can this man advise our ladies to leave the poor guys? Very stupid. Leave him. Can you imagine? Let's go. Leave him. Let's go. Even you, sir.